Hi, Chad Crouch with MarineMax, and today we're looking at a new trade just came in, 2018 Cobalt R30. This is basically their 30-foot bow rider. And this boat has got everything. Obviously, it's got the taupe exterior, but when you start to take a look at this boat's got the hydraulic swim platform aft, a multitude of different types of seating configurations throughout the whole boat. And obviously you get to see the Cobalt quality all the way through. You've got more of the sea decking on the back swim platforms. You've got the upgraded seagrass through the entire boat. The boat was custom built. This particular boat also has the IPS joystick drive system with stern drives. This one has the 300 horsepower Volvo outdrives. It's got the hardtop with the wakeboard hookup. As we walk through, you have, again, multi-seating configurations throughout the whole boat. We've got it in a kind of a Sunpad settee. You've got a forward and aft-facing port side seat. When you look at the helm, it's got the optional glass dashboard. You have the IPS. You also have the optional DRS system, which is dynamic running surface, which is an automatic trim tab system. This one has the Rockford Fosgate stereo upgraded system. To the port side, you're going to have the pump out porta potty, very nicely appointed. You also are going to have 12-volt adapters as well as USB plugs, both on the port and starboard side of the boat. As we come forward, we are actually in the Sunpad layout, so you can fit 4 people very comfortably. Also, you have an abundance amount of storage starboard side. It also comes with the optional air compressor for water toys. Again, very nice 85-hour boat in fantastic condition. So come on over, take a look at it. You'll get a great opportunity on a very lightly used Cobalt R30. You can email me, chad.crouch at marinemax.com, or you can go online at marinemax.com and take a look at this very lightly used Cobalt R30.